Hello, so in this tutorial we're going to create a shiny button. It's been done quite a few times before. I'm going to show you a real quick way of creating one. Hopefully it will save you some time, give you some ideas. Let's get started. I've got the ellipse tool chosen. It's a shape layer. I'm going to keep it on shape, and I'm going to click in the middle, hold down Shift and Alt and click out. That would be fine, and I'm going to press Ctrl J to copy that layer. Now I'm going to rename these layers. The top one is going to be inner, and the one underneath is going to be outer. Now I'm going to turn off the inner, and on the outer it's still that shape layer, so I'm going to change the stroke to this gradient, and I'm going to change the black to a lesser grey, and I'm going to set the weight to about 10 point. So we now have that. Then to that I'm going to apply this chrome layer style. This is part of the web styles, which you can get by clicking the flyer and choosing web styles. So I'll click that, and you can see all the effects that have been applied in the layers panel, and you want to turn off drop shadow. Okay, we can close that up. We'll come to the inner, turn it on. I'm going to press hold Control T and hold down Shift and Alt, and I'm just going to scale this in a little bit, like so. And then I'm going to apply this one here, which is the blue gel, also part of the web styles. Again, I'm going to turn off the drop shadow. I'm also going to right click on it, and I'm going to choose to scale the effects, and I'm going to take this up. That will probably be okay. Now remember, you can go back to these shape layers and change it if you need to, and I think I will keep this black on this occasion, like so. So there's our shiny ring. Now I just want to give it a quick background, so I'm going to merge these into a group. So I'm going to highlight them both and press Ctrl G and then Ctrl J to copy that group. The bottom group is going to be the shadow, so I'm going to merge that group, and on the top one I'm going to get rid of this one of these. Actually, this, before I merge that group, I want to get rid of the outer glow. There, merge group, and let's give some colour to the background. Have another layer. This can be a light grey. Control T. And the layer above I'll put underneath, turn it on, and make this a darker grey. Now I need to also turn off the outer glow for this one. I'm going to control click on this group one, which we can rename shadow. I'm going to press D to revert my foreground and background back to their default colours, black and white. My foreground colour is black, and press Alt Delete to fill that with black. Control D to deselect. Now I'm going to probably move all these up a little bit. Get the move tool. Like so, and on the shadow I'll move down. Going to give it a blur, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Probably 9 would be fine. I'm going to add a layer mask, get a gradient, black to foreground or black to transparent. Start just outside the box, hold down shift and draw a line up, like so. Drop the opacity to maybe 60%, and that I think will be everything. So we've created this shiny button using shape layers and layer styles, and we've just given it a background and shadow. So hopefully that will show you something, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you.